been doing that for a while, which is annoying. Annoying. Furnish a luxe bed. Hindi ko talaga ito gusto. Hindi ko siya talaga gusto. I'm so sorry. Yung door. Door ba yan? What is that? Furnish a luxe bedroom for an... Ay, I have 1 hour. Wait, timer! Tay tayo dyan. Wait. So, isang mabilis ulit. Excuse you. Isang mabilis ulit. It's 1 hour. Wait, 59. I set myself a timer. Just so. Luxe bedroom for an executive in Manama, Bahrain. Bahrain! Backlit wall. Hindi ko type eh. Yeah, I get stuck in things, obviously. Dreamy glow. Backlit wall. Luxe executive. Okay, sounds pretty straightforward. Not a fan, obviously. Sana mas maganda yung nasa loob. Ah, no! But of course it is. I feel like that feels cheap instead of being luxury. This door, is that a door or it's a wall installation? What is it? Why are you not working? Is the pattern necessary? I feel like the pattern is part of the problem. If you had gone with something classical, maybe that would have worked. Maybe that would have, because we like patterns. Or you know what, I feel like this would benefit from considering the floor. Tapos medyo classy yung lines nung wall. We probably could move into so this, but of course I have bias naturally, but so medyo ganun yung approach. Ewan masyado, diba? Medyo, so maraming maliliit. Parang ganun. So, feeling ko, if you do this in gold, that would look much nicer. And that would make more sense. Mukha siyang I guess, I don't know. I'm just guessing. But that would probably look better. Medyo, this feels like it doesn't make a lot of sense to me. So, okay. Mamaya na ako mag-explain. Unahin ko muna yung luxe bedroom. Something. Nasaan na yung ko? Naubos na. Sabagay, tapos sana may minimalist din. Minimalist. Maybe that. Need something as small as possible. Ooh, maybe that one. Oh, that kind of looks nice. Kasi hindi pangit. Pangit yung frame. Pangit yung frame. No, not really. Not really. You know what? I like this one. I like this one. I think I'm gonna go with that. Or that. Obvious naman kung ano yung tina-target ko, no? Kita mo naman what direction we're leaning into. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think so. Ano mo? Lux. Lux. But that's also nice. Wait, I wonder if I can swap that up with something. Wait. They don't love you like I do. So, nagpasok ako ng bagong kulay. Maybe not. That was nice, but no, it's cute. And it works, sort of. I just need something more. Ooh. Si Lucas and your luxury she's oh, nature. It's a bit complicated. Ay, hindi ba? Nawala sa malaya. What? I think I'm gonna look for gold material, gold color, gold and white. Put it up. Yay! Oh, I can do that. It's very interesting. Sort the fruits with this first. Ay, kaso hindi ma-counter eh. Kailangan ano? Rectangle. Wala kasi. Okay. Well, minimalist. Minimalist na bit. Super minimal. Maybe that one. Ako ng neutral space. Neutral. Neutral space. Uy, hey. That's kind of cute. No, I need it to be a lot of space. Breathing space. Ang ingay. Such loud. Meron ako nun din. Billion. Saan ba? Pwede naman. Ano yun nandun sa shop? Parang hindi. Pareho naman. Try except sa diamond. Yan. Space. Hindi ka sa board daw. May issue niya pang lato. Nice lang. Katalo ba, discipline. Kailangan ko ng flat. Flat, no nonsense bit. No headboard as much as possible. All bed. All bed. Kasi ang laki ng headboard, ang laki na nung ano eh, ang laki na nung wall installation eh. Sakit sa mata. No comprar. Hindi ako nagbebenta, di ba? Tapos mag-i-invade ka, tapos sasabihin mo, oh, pwesto ko, hindi nga ako nagbebenta, ang kulit mo. Ito, pottery barn. Well, the idea is there, but the base is wrong. This is a little too expensive. 4,000 diamonds. No. No, la policía. Ay, ayoko. May print. Chip. Well, it looks cheaper. Ay, sorry. Beep, beep. I'm sorry. Oh. Di tayo bumibip-bip eh. Beep. beep, 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 beep. Wala, oh. Walang flat. Yung flat lang. Ang tinapang ko. Need. Necesito. Tain ng mahal. Ay, hindi. Hindi pa rin. Pangit yung base. Ay, hindi. Okay lang. Bakit ang pangit ng ah, hindi. Kasi yung curve. Hindi maganda. Oh, this looks better. Does it? Does it? Is it just me? Kinda. Pwede. Ang mahal naman. 999 diamonds. Ang dami ko reklamo. Shit. Sige na nga. Fucking shit. Oh no, I'm missing 20 diamonds. That is the most disappointing thing. Wait, no. Fine. Eh, kasi hindi kasi siya bagay doon sa background eh. Basag yun. Nagulo. Ang gulo. Ting 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 ting. Ting 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 ting. Shit. Yun lang. Yun lang. I thank you, Pao. Nasaan na yung bilog kanina eh? Nawala. Yun pala. Ayun na nga lang. Ito ay old rose. Ito ay my fish. Do I want the... how does that feel? Ang large argument kasi nung nung background. So, it's a lot. So, I need to define. Ito kaya. Yan na nga lang. Kaso bumigat na siya. So, kailangan ko nang lagyan ng okay lang naman. Maybe it's doable. Tin 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 tin. Yari. Yeah, BBM against Gangster 2. Not really. Not hardly. actually okay. Yeah. Fucking luxury bullshit. Mali ba? I want this shape, but this color. Oh, that kind of works. Medyo modern yung approach. I know, right? I'm so sorry. Ang gulo. Teng, teng, teneneng, teng, teng, teneneng. You know what? I think I'm gonna use this one. Meron naman tayong frilly shit sa ibabaw. So it works. Hindi kita, no? Mas maganda pa rin siya. Maybe that one. No, I don't think so. Wala, nasa na? Wait! Wait! Sure na pagdala sa hindi ko kita eh. Wanted to pop. Sabagay, pwede rin muted. I wanted to pop, biglang muted. Pop, para, papa. Pop. I can move in that direction. Oh no, or not. Lord, isa na lang pala yun. So, gonna be lonely when you're not strong. Ah, 975. I cry. Cry me a river. Oh, I can go with that. That is actually nice. It has good. Nasa na isa? Is this one or this one isa? This one. Ah, 1, 2, 3. No, this one isa. 1, 2, 3. Oo, kasi natak niya yung chair. Chairs. textures. Ooh. Ah. Hala, ano nangyari? Okay lang. Not bad. Could be better. Ay, hindi, okay lang. It gives enough color to justify the existence of other things. Nope, that is demasiado. Esta demasiado. Ay, hindi. I'm not gonna put anything because none of this is gonna work. That's too much. Actually, mamo na ako. Well, somebody needed to say it. Wait, that one. Somebody needed to say it. What kind of works? What kind of works? So, tumalon ako from straight lines to plants. Of course, to be fair, I could also still use this, and it still makes sense. Let's see if I can justify that. 30 minutes na lang! Masyado makapal. Ano tayo manipis? Yun! Yes. Mayhaps. Mayhaps. Namang problema ka pa rin. Ayaw mo na, wag mo lang problemahin yun. Wala ka na. You don't remember anything. You've forgotten what I said. This is not the droid you're looking for. Putang ina. Ano daw? You don't remember anything. I did not tell you anything. Ito na lang, mas cute. Manipis na. Yeah. Ay, ang cute. I like that. Ah, I must get that. No. Ah, that is so cute. Pero hindi pa siya kailangan ngayon. Okay, fine. Okay, get that anyway. No. Yes. You know what? Don't care. Ay, mga 2 days na lang. Baka malagpasan ko to. Nasaan to? It's fine. Do I wanna put anything there? Nope. That's a little too big. Nope. Maglalagay ako ng orange pa. Kaya ba kitang i-balance? Parang hindi, no? Not here. Not here. Libonaryo. Ayan, libonaryo tayo. Buti nga kung libonaryo pa eh. Mamaya. Ano yung 100? Ano pag 100? O 50? Mas malala. Pisonaryo. Ang tinapang. Yan. Eh kaso hindi siya dark na. No. Hello. ¿Cómo estás, señor? Walang bumabagay na. Hindi siya pwede. Or, yeah, actually this one sort of works. Kasi masyado siyang light. This one doesn't. Wala siyang perfect fit. Which is disappointing. Ay, hindi, pwede. Meron pala akong wall. Meron ako pa din. Sige pa. Am I perfectly, no, I'm not perfectly happy, but it's oh, purple, pink, no, ubus na yung aking green. Ayun sana, sabi ko na dapat nag-grind ako eh. Pero nag-grind naman ako, kinulang lang. Kinulang pa rin. I'm okay with this. Actually, okay with it. Give me mamaya, wait. Let me just meet my deadline. It's 25 minutes. Hindi kasi siya pwedeng luxury kasi yung peg, so hindi mo siya pwedeng lunurin. You can't drown it in stuff. It has limitations. It stops being luxury. It stops being luxury. When you put too many things in it. Yun palang wall niya mali na eh. Yun palang wall niya may problema na eh. So you have to imagine this from the front view. Because yung angle natin hindi masyado maganda. Hindi natin masyado makita yung impact niya from the front. Pero mukhang okay naman. Like, if you imagine yourself viewing it from the front, it should work. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I'm generally happy with that. Just some minor changes possibly. Very minor. This one or wait, dali lang. Anong gagawin ko dyan? Wait, mamaya ka na. No, I'm trying to decide if I want it I want it this way. Wait. This way. Ang problema ko kasi dito, I like the whites. I like the ang pangit pakinggan. No, I like the white space because that's what I'm looking for. Kaso hindi masyadong sa bagay, meron na akong ibang plants. I have plants in this space. So medyo kaya ko na siya i-justify. Ito kasi medyo abstract naman. So bumabagay siya doon sa pader. Diba? Mas ano siya eh, mas nababalance niya yung wall. So I guess, try that again. 1, 2, 3. Oop. Oh, hindi no? Yung isa na lang. Fine. Okay. Isa pa. Push! Pero okay ako doon sa white. Very understated stuff. Lux naman siya. Lux. So I don't want to drown it in detail. Para alta. Maano. Presko. Oh, ganyan na lang. Okay na yan! Okay na yan! Wait. Let me just say that. Meron kasi tayong tendency na na i-maximize. Well, but we're Filipinos. So that's why we like to maximize the space. The use of the space. But again, we're Filipinos. So that's the fiesta mentality. Medyo everything everywhere. Okay, well, let's talk about the the layout. Lord. 40 minutes. Oy, oy, I have 20 minutes. Sakto, galing. Umabot pa. So, yan, let's talk about Gomen. Not that one. Nasa yung hindi ko pala nilagyan ng ano. Okay, so let's talk about this for a little bit. So, meron tayong very angular elements. Dwarf core. Dwarf flux. Labo. Dwarf flux. And then, may yung marble pattern natin. And then, yung rods. So, yun yung shape natin na available. Rectangles, of course. Okay, and then this very bright shade of blue-green. It's not cyan. It's in the realm of blue-green. Very light blue-green. This is gold. And then we got white, gray, cream. No larga vista. Thank you. Hindi ako black, hindi ako B. Domo. Okay, and then let's talk about what we did. No, thank you. Moraimasen. Wag kang dadaan sa B, wag mo idaan sa B. Parang nagbibilin lang ng anak, no? Anak, wag kang wag kang dadaan sa basketball court. Bumili ka ng suka, diretso. Alright, so let's talk about colors. Wag mo idaan sa B, dude. Hindi ako B eh. So, okay. So, yun yung that's working, obviously. Yun yung green. No, thank you. One, two. Hindi po pwede eh. Pasensya na. Causes harm. Pero hindi mali kasi. Hindi mo kasi pwedeng sabihin na cuesta comprar kasi hindi naman talaga yun yung bahay namin. Ang pagkain ko naman ay pagkain ko talaga. Siyempre. Dito pa sa Pilipinas, aba ako. Nakang tinapangyang. Hindi po. Pasensya na. Nagkakamali ka. Huwag ka nang umasa. Kaibigan lamang kita. Ang labo. Sabayang pagbigkas. Featuring. Yan tayo ko. Okay, so meron tayong white. Meron tayong green. Meron tayong gold. Yun naman yung main movements natin. Yung brown. Medyo konti yung beige, cream, brown. Hindi siya ganun kadami. Oh, ganun lang. It's not complete. Okay, yun. Tapos, so, ang pinaka pattern na makikita mo talaga dito is ito. Yan talaga. Ito yung main pattern. And then, And then ito. Yung general shape nito at saka ito. So, nag-echoes, nagba-bounce sila. Bounce, bounce. Which is the only reason I actually got that. Otherwise, I wouldn't have duplicate. Mas gusto ko yung isa eh. Kasi marami siyang white space. So, nakakahinga yung design. Tingnan natin. Okay lang. Maganda naman yung distribution ng contrast. Maganda naman yung distribution ng contrast. So, mukha naman siyang umaandar na pag yun. Ito siya. Oh, diba? That's not too bad. Contrast-wise. Okay? So, marami tayong shape. Bakit tayo maraming shape? Because I wasn't very happy with the well, to be fair, I mean, medyo lulusot naman siya. This looks fluffy. Tapos yung marble pa natin. So, medyo hindi ko kasi gusto talaga initial argument. Honest naman ako. Feeling ko kasi or you know what, you could have bakit hindi na lang yung nakipagtalo eh. Pagtalo tayo. Bakit hindi na lang vertical lines, 'di ba? Halimbawa, gawin natin, wait. Ganun na lang. Tapos, lagyan natin ng konti dito sa gilid. Diba? Wait, duplicate ito. Pinilit eh, no? Ipipilit! O, diba? Mas okay. Sorry. I don't know if you can imagine it, but like, I feel like if we used this color set, that'd be so much better than this one. Mas malinis kasi siya tingnan. Yun yung main problem ko sa kanya. So, I have a mix of what's the word? I have a mix of angular. Wait, what? Nak, ano nangyari sa'yo? Ano yun? Okay. I have a mix of angular pieces and organic pieces. So, ito medyo angular. Bilugan natin ng red. So, medyo angular. Obviously, medyo combined. Pero, yan. So, angular. Ito may angles pa rin. Medyo may angles pa rin. Ito, angular. Tapos ito, medyo, this is a mixed bag. So, and then we've got, lagyan natin ng bling. Organic pieces. Organic pieces. Ito, combination na naman. So, angular, ay, ayan, shapes and organic pieces, basically. Tapos ito, obviously. So, we try to combine the basic shapes with the organic shapes. Kaya ganun yung layout. Mostly, I added this color to balance this. Kasi ang laki niya eh. It's too large. So, normally for like luxury spaces, I prefer lighter chairs. If I can get away with lighter chairs. I'm not big on colored chairs pag luxury yung space. Kaso I needed this to pull the wall. So, kaya siya tumatalbog. And then, yun din yung argument nitong stool, nitong poof. Yan ah. Diba may ganyan? So, basically, hinahatak din natin yung we're just essentially distributing the elements of this wall or dissolving it, disseminating it para into the other spaces. Kasi masyado it's a lot. It's a lot. So I wanted to make it more normal, I guess you would say. Para in place na siya. And then we just used the rest of that in the other elements. So, halimbawa ito, this specific section is just support. So it's not meant to, be your main focus. Support lang siya talaga. So, binabalance niya yung wall, for one thing. But, there's not enough detail for you to actually stare at it. Wala namang masyadong titingnan. Pati yung dresser, hindi din, yung cabinet, hindi din siya ganun ka detailed. So, support lang siya talaga. So, kung nakatingin tayo dito, ang attention natin, andito lang. Actually, wala kang choice, no? Dito ka talaga titingin, eh. Because you'll be like, what? What is going on? Tatayo ka dito. Dito ka lang talaga titingin, eh. So, it helps na medyo matapang yung kulay nito. Kasi medyo naghahatak siya ng konti. Iyon. Pero kita mo naman, I mean, you can see it. Like, I think, if I, na gumagalaw naman yung mata mo. Ay, sorry. Ara, gumin. Gumagalaw naman yung mata mo. Basically, what I wanted to do is to pull your eyes away from this wall and have it move around the room for design purposes. And that sort of works. But that's it. So anyway, again, if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you!